guys, yung una kong in-order ay yung Chupetel Chicken Burger. Bali, as you can see, meron siyang cabbage, onion ring, may salsa, tapos merong chicken, fried chicken na patty, tapos salsa ulit na may mayonnaise. Yan, tapos toasted yung bread. Tapos ngayon, taste test natin, tikman natin ang chicken burger ng Army Navy. Crispy siya. Malasa yan, no? Lasang-lasa mo yung onion ring, yung chicken burger, tsaka medyo spicy yung sauce. Hot.